Welcome to Calendar API. Manipulate dates and times precisely. Here is what we will learn. Let's get started. Why do we need this concept? Manually calculating dates, time zones, and leap years is error-prone and complex. How do we manage dates and times reliably? Manual date math is error-prone. Time zone handling is complex. Leap year calculations are tricky. Calendar API provides robust tools for accurate date and time manipulation. How is Calendar API used in the real world? Event scheduling, create and manage appointments, meeting planning, find available time slots, reminder systems. Set up notifications for events. Calendar API powers all these applications. Let's see the problem it solves. So, what happens without Calendar API? Manually calculating dates with primitive math. Look at how messy the code gets. Error-prone manual calculations, no handling for leap years, month overflow issues. There has to be a better way. Here comes the solution, Calendar API. Look how clean the code is now. Easy date manipulation, built-in month constants, automatic leap year handling. Compare the difference. And that is why we use Calendar API. Let's see how to implement Calendar API in code. Here is the implementation. Get instance. Create calendar object. Set date. Set to January 15th, 2024. Add days. Add 7 days to date. Get day. Extract day number. Get month. Extract month number. Now let's see the output of this code. Quiz time. Test your understanding. Which class is used to get current date and time? Which one is correct? The correct answer is localdatetime.now gets current date / time in Java 8+. How to add 5 days to current date? Which one is correct? The correct answer is plus days method adds days to local date. What does this code output? Which one is correct? The correct answer is getMonth returns month enum. 2024 is leap year. How to calculate days between two dates? Which one is correct? The correct answer is chronounit days.between calculates days difference. Here is a challenge for you. What's the output? Comment your answer below. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe.